Respected Chief Justice, sir,
Not that
I am
someone imposed.
giving you the example. I can show you some photographs. If you allow me, only I want to submit, sir, I want to lay, because it is not my photograph. All the Bengali leading newspapers, it is reported. You will be surprised to know the, sir, only, sir, my submission, sir. Sir, their SIR process is only for deletion, not for inclusion. Mismatch not only the title, sir. Mismatch, mismap, unplanned. Now suppose a daughter after marriage, she go to the in-laws house. Now why she's change her title? Why she's using the husband's name, husband's title? That is also mismatch. Yes, sir, they have done it, sir. Now, sir, only just want to, sir. Number two, sir, there are some daughters who married and shifted the in-laws house. Their number also just unilaterally deleted. It is just because they shifted their houses. Sir, you will appreciate sometimes some people work some office, they go to they transferred other offices, they work somewhere. Sometimes the poor people, they purchase the flats, they shifted their addresses, but they are the genuine people are staying there. But because of the name of logical discrepancy, now they change the name. No, instead of logical discrepancy, when you gave order, sir, they have violated, and they say it is the discrepancy mapping. Sir, can they even violate your order? Number two, sir, we are grateful. Bengal people are so happy that this court gave order that Aadhaar card will be one of the proof documents. But they said no, on with Aadhaar card. Sir, in other state, sir, the domicile certificate is allowed. Sir, the family registered card is allowed. Sir, the government housing card is allowed. The health card is allowed. The bank books means whatever caste certificate is allowed. Only they targeted Bengal on the eve of election. Sir, 4 state opposition state are going for on the eve of election. But why after 24 years, what was the hurry to do it? What it takes 2 years, only within 3 months, even when the festival season is there, when the harvesting season is there, when people are not in a mood to be in the city, they were in the outside, they are traveling, and that time they issued the notices and all this. Sir, more than 100 people died, sir. Can you imagine? Sir, BLOs died, and they have written the letter that CEO is responsible for my committing suicide. So many BLOs are murdered, they died, and also more than 150 people died, and so many are hospitalized. Sir, because of the harassment of the people, because of Bengal is targeted, sir. Sir, you tell me why not Assam? Sir, why not Assam?
The state government, we cried foul, saying that
why not Assam?
Cooperation. They say
why not Northeastern?
Madam Mamta, if need arises, we will mandate it, we will direct. Every document will have to be signed by the BLO, who are the authorized officers and who are the authorized notified officers.
kindly see the directions in the website, Millers.
Don't
So
think
for
that
the
election
so-called micro observer.
Micro observer is the final authority. Election Commission, WhatsApp Commission. WhatsApp Commission is saying it is only the micro observer. Only they are deleting all the names. No, sir. What happens, sir, ultimately, in practical, ERO has no power now. They have superseded all the power from DO, ERO, BLRO. Only they have appointed 8,300 micro observer and the role observer from the BJP ruled state, so that DO cannot clear the name. It is all micro observer can delete all the names sitting inside the Election Commission office through AI. Sir, earlier 58 lakhs are being deleted. Even they were not allowed to file Form 6. Sir, earlier first phase, 58 lakhs deleted. There so many people are alive, and now they are being declared by that they are their death. Sir, the anti-women, so many women.
Madam Mamta, if need arises, we will mandate it, we will direct. every document will have to be signed by the BLO, who are the authorized officers and who are the authorized notified officers.
Kindly see the
And-
directions in the website, Millets,
Don't
so
think
far
that
as the so-called
election-
micro observer.
Micro observer is the final authority. Election Commission, WhatsApp Commission. WhatsApp Commission is saying it is only the micro observer. Only they are deleting all the names.
Millets, they could
Please.
certificate on recording.
May I just take you back?
They are all government of India officials.
My lords,
They are-
even as
My lord, in one of the matters, government is a party. Lord, let,
But the problem is that they are not allowing the people.
let the matter.
They are not allowing the
legal domain
officials.
possibly for most of the
They
submission.
are not allowing the domicile certificate.
So day after,
They are not
Yes.
allowing the government certificate.
we have,
With this permission, sir, only one thing, sir.
your point we have well taken.
Sir, it depends on some district,
Kindly-
some states, sir.
Give us the-
We are suppose 44 district. We have 23 district. Now SDM is depends on the district wise. Now whatever we have the strength, we have included all.
Alright,
We are
are you-
cooperating to them
Are you
all.
prepared- are you
Micro-
prepared to provide class two group?
Yes, we have given, sir. Whatever they ask,
Alright.
we have given. But they are telling
All right, please.
what I don't believe.
I think we will be able to find out a practical solution.
Very well.
On Monday, when we take up this matter, we are granting them 2 days time to have instructions based upon these, all the notes and information which you have gathered.
Very well.
And you also on Monday, please give
Mon-
us the list of the group B officers which you are in a position to spare
Yes.
and to provide to them for their
Furnish it in
assistance.
advance.
So that-
And your lordships may list that matter also because
Yes.
there is direct bearing on that.
ICT
There is an atmosphere of hostility, election commission says.
And it contains all our communications
Yes,
to the
but with
government,
written
Trying for
trying for
communication
help.
issued contemporaneous.
Issue notice.
Lords,
Just
I
a-
have
just a
one apprehension, that's all I have. I don't want Mr. Dwivedi coming on Monday and saying, now we have finished 1.2 crore hearings as a figment of his.
It's all right.
Numbers.
We are entitled to our defense.
That's what you're saying.
That's an ongoing exercise that will continue.
Sir, only my last submission, sir. Sir, what about they have only first phase 58 lakhs deleted. They didn't have any scope to appeal even Form 6. Number two, the second phase, 1 crore 30 lakhs. Only my request would be, whatever the system is maintaining the other state, they are only targeting Bengal. Only for Bengal, they appointed these micro observers.
Not the
This
forum,
is-
Millets.
Yes,
The plate-
for to bulldoze the West Bengal people.
This-
Sir, my humble submission will be, sir, the logical discrepancy case not to be deleted. And there should be, as it is, it should be cleared by the DO and the ERO, not with the micro observer, not with the roll observers.
Millets, they
First-
as well see your lordship's
first-
directions on the last occasion.
Give us the list of the officers whom you can spare.
Yes.
Whom you can spare.
Yes.
Probably, once the officers are made available,
Yes.
then micro observer will not be
May
required.
not be necessary, absolutely.
Millets will
yes,
Yes,
You
absolutely.
can do it.
whatever the
And on
role they
Monday
are
itself,
doing.
we are taking up the matter on Monday. Meanwhile, they will also get instructions and you also give us that list.
Very well.
Mr. Diwan, please ask your junior to give
Yes.
complete set of paper book.
Of course.
In both
Yes.
matters, we'll.
Both matters. And in Mr. Gopal's matter,
To item
very-
37.
Yes.
very learned
Sir, with my humble regards, I convey my great regards
personal fame.
and I will just tell, save democracy.
One minute, madam.
Joy
Save
was
democracy.
fun.